Hello everyone, Vishesh Kothari here. Welcome back to Let's Learn Math. And today we are going to discuss another question. Now what is this question? It is given that ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, CB is parallel to AF, and angle, let me call this as E. FAE is equal to 22 degrees. Okay, I have to find angle DCB. DCB. Okay. Now, to do that, I'm going to do my first elementary step. If this is 92, obviously how much this will be? 180 minus 92. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. So that is going to be 88. Now, I told you in my previous videos that if I have been given something like this in circles, always find the Z shape. So find the Z shape, pause the video and find the Z shape. If you don't get it, continue to see it. Okay, I hope you'll have found the Z shape. The Z shape is this. Okay, so this angle is going to be equal to this angle. If this is 88, this is going to be 88 degrees. And I have to find this angle. And I have these two angles. Can you think of a theorem? How can I relate this angle to this angle? It is a cyclic quadrilateral. The one theorem which we learned on cyclic quadrilaterals. The exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the interior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral. So, angle BAE will be equal to angle BCB. Why? Theorem. What is this theorem? The exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the interior opposite angle. So, angle BCB will be equal to this entire angle. Right, that is the exterior angle. So it's going to be 88 plus 22. So how much is that? 88 plus 22 is 110. So that is 110. So that is my answer. I hope you have understood this question. Share it with your friends. Happy learning. Good luck. Bye.